Hey guys, it's Anna. So in my last video, I showed you guys how to solve for x if there's just one x in the problem, only on one side of the equation. But what if you have x on both sides of the equation and you still have to solve for x? No worries, it's pretty simple, just one little extra step. So the first thing you're gonna do is get all x on one side, all your x's on one side. So get all x's on one side by doing the opposite operation. So let's take a look. We have negative 2x on the left-hand side, and we have x on the right-hand side. We want to make sure x stays positive. It's just going to be a little bit easier for us if we do it this way. So we want to do an opposite operation. So we could either add 2x over here, or we could add 2x over here, or we could subtract x over here and subtract x over here. But if we subtract x both places, we're going to end up with negative 3x. If we add 2x here, we'll end up with positive 3x. So we want to do that. It's going to be a little bit easier. So let's get all of our x's on one side by doing the opposite operation, plus 2x plus 2x. That's the opposite of subtracting 2x is adding 2x. These are going to cancel. That leaves us with 1 equals x plus 2x is 3x minus 5. Okay, so now all of our x's are on one side by doing the opposite operation. Perfect. All right, next step is going to be to get x on a side by itself. X on one side by itself. One side alone, basically, all by itself. Okay, so right now we have 3x minus 5 on one side. We want to get rid of that minus 5 by doing the opposite operation. So what is the opposite of subtracting 5? The opposite is to add 5. On both sides, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Now we have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 equals 3x. Awesome. Step 2, done. Got x on one side alone. Step 3, our final step, is going to be to get x alone by doing the opposite operation. Again, get x alone by doing the opposite operation. Opposite operation. So right now, what is happening to x? It's being multiplied by 3, right? So what's the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3, right? So we're just going to divide by 3 on both sides. So we end up with 6 divided by 3, which is 2, is equal to x, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we get x equals 2. So very quick 3-step process. Let's review. So we want to get all the x's on one side by doing the opposite operation. So we move this negative 2x over to the other side, plus 2x plus 2x. Now we want to get all the x on one side by itself, one side all alone. Add 5 over to both sides. Now we want to get x all alone by doing the opposite operation. So we have 3 times x. We're going to divide by 3 on both sides. X is equal to 2. 2 is equal to x. I hope this helps you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. Let me know if it helped you. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.